Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Lizzy.
And Lily. Don't
Today-
forget me.
Oh yeah. So today we are going to do a house tour for our new house.
It's not that new, but it's still new.
Anyways, so this is the entrance. As you can see, we have a little cute statue, and now I think Melody is waiting inside. But
I guess she's in somewhere, maybe in the snack area. I don't know.
yeah. But anyways, this is like the entryway where I have my envelope and my
You even have like
plants.
a picture place here.
Yeah, and
like
here
that.
I have a mirror to check if I look good before I go out.
Cool.
And here we have the best part, the kitchen. I love the kitchen.
It's like the snack place. I call
like
it
the snack.
place.
Here's the snack drawer.
I guess she's not here. Maybe she's there.
Here it is. The best place in the house.
Yeah.
Also, we have the last room is a surprise that you guys are gonna love.
Yeah, because I loved it so much.
Here we have the fridge and, Okay.
Yeah.
So
you know.
here we have the living room and Melody is watching TV. What were you doing?
The whole time watching TV, I guess.
Yeah. Well,
And
don't watch too much TV.
Your eyes will get
Hurt.
Yeah, after you have glasses, so close the TV.
Yeah. You can play with your teddy. Anyways, you can wait. Can you? Oh, okay. Bye, Melody. So here is the living room, and I love these plushies. They're so cute.
Yeah, they were from where you buy them? Which shop?
I think I got it from the mall.
Cool.
And here is the outside area, and
What
here we have our pet duck. They're so cute. So one of them is this one is Grumpy, and this one's Joy. As you can see,
There, one's Grumpy and one is Joy.
Joy, get off her head.
Keep her, she's so cute.
Okay, Joy, we feed them always. You can just go back on setting that. But, they like the fresh air, so that's why we keep them outside. Also, they, don't do poo-poo in the house. Anyways, here we have my bed. Me and Lily share a bed because we don't have much room here.
Yeah.
Here's our little table also, like where this is the camera where we do our vlogs, and this is like the play area table where Lily and Melody play together.
Yes, we do.
Okay,
I'm
those are
still 8.
clothes. Yeah, those are clothes and bags and clothes for Melody. And
Where's
I love
her clothes? Oh, there.
yeah, and all her hats and
Whatever.
yeah.
I forgot where's her clothes.
Also, here we have
that.
our bags and clothes more.
Why have more clothes there?
I don't know, but I love the bathroom. It's so nice. Oh, the last room is there. Anyways, here's the bathroom. I love the bathroom. Oh, so here where I do my makeup, as you can see, where's all my brushes, my brush, the toothbrush. Okay, and here I do my skincare.
Of course.
I'm a gua sha. I don't know what they call gouache. My
Gua sha.
face. And here where we take a shower and yeah. And here's my skincare.
More skincare?
I love skincare. You don't say that on my skincare. Hey, stop my skincare.
I don't know what to. I don't have skincare even.
You're too young for skincare. Oh, that was a sneak peek. Now guess in the comments what is it? But 3, 2, 1. It's our home gym.
That's really cool. I want to do the trampoline. I love trampoline. That's what's my favorite room.
This is our favorite place in the house. And it's like my dream house anyways. Like I could work out and I could, go on the bicycle.
Pretend bicycle.
And I really like this place where I could just work out and be alone. I don't use.
Wait. I want to be heavier from I'm in the trampoline.
Hey, be careful. That's not good. Put that back. And here we have our juice fridge where you just, you're kind of tired and you need a juice break. You could get some juice.
Yep. I want some juice even.
Let's just ignore that. Anyways, and here we have our yoga mats, which I love our yoga mats. And we have all kinds of colors,
Only 3 colors. What do you mean?
Yeah, true. But anyways, that's the end of the video.
Wait, what's that?
Our phones, because we worked out yesterday.
Oh.
Anyways, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and bye.
Bye.